Hey guys, this is an unboxing for the Kingdo red light mask. So it comes in this really nice box that has gold on the side. It feels kind of luxurious. So that's it opened up. And then we have some nice, it's like brochure. It's all the info there. User guide. Yeah, it feels like really good quality. So this is the mask, and I picked this one because I liked how like pliable it was. I felt like that would be more comfortable to wear. So that's the front and the back, and we have these cords here. I think that's called USC. But anyway, that's what that looks like. And then we have, looks like some kind of a remote in here. Let's see what this is. So I think I need to charge these up, but you're gonna have different settings. And this kind of reminds me of like an Apple product. It looks really nice. Oh, that must be where that plugs in. And then you would be playing with the different settings, auto, manual, and I don't know what those M's are for. So that looks really good. I'm happy about that. And then I'm not sure what these packages are here. Oh, that's the plug. Cool. And then one more box here. And yeah, there's something really premium about these. I like the black, looks nice. So I don't know what these are. What are these? Oh yeah, okay, so these are going to be the straps that you put around here. And then I think you put another one on the other side, and that would be how you secure it to your head. I'm not sure if I put on the right ones. I'll figure that out. They might all be the same, but I think there are ones for the top of your head and the side of your head. But it kind of seems like I could just put these over my ears without the straps if I don't want that. Yeah, okay. Oh, no, there's one more thing. I thought there would be one more thing. And then there's the plug. So that's gonna go in here and then at the bottom of this remote. So you do the plug, the cord, the remote to control it, and then this has the cord here. So I think that's gonna add up to some good cord length. All right, I'm super excited. So that was the unboxing. I'm gonna give this a try and then I'll give you a review of what it's like, but it feels really good. I'm super excited.